Well, it's spaghetti sauce making day. We've had a nice rainy day here, so I thought instead of going outside and sitting in the greenhouse and playing with some of the fall crops, I'd get some of my spaghetti sauce made. These were the tomatoes that have been sitting in the freezer, of the ones that I didn't just make fresh sauce and eat right away. Not as many as I was hoping for this year, but still a lot more than last year. So let's see how much sauce we can make today. Oh, and there's also some peppers in here, which I'm going to go out and pick some more, because I don't have enough of these in here. Because I like this sauce to have a little bit of kick to it. Just enough that it's not too spicy, but just enough to kind of give it a good flavoring. And these are all sweet peppers, so they're not going to be like really hot or anything. So let's get to work taking the skins off, and we're actually going to keep the skins because I'm going to actually dry those. I saw you can make a paste out of them, so we'll see how this goes. Well, the dog got a hold of some of the tomato skins, so some of those will not be going in the dehydrator. Oh well. But we've got a good selection of them in here. And I'll flatten them out more once I can get in there a little drier. Because right now they're so wet. But that's the end of the tomatoes. We finally got them all in there. So now they're in the pot, boiling beautifully. They've been simmering now for about an hour and a half. Which I know I'm going to have to do more, probably. I'll probably have to let it cool, stick it in the fridge, and do more tomorrow. Because I have a feeling this isn't going to be done by 8 o'clock tonight. I really should have taken the tomatoes out at like 9 o'clock this morning, but didn't quite think about it until about 11:30ish. And then I thought I need to make tomato sauce because it's raining, but oh well. But I will have to go out in a little while and pick peppers because I don't think there's enough peppers in there. I'm going to taste it once it simmers down some and see if I need more peppers in it, but I have a feeling it's going to need more. And yeah, I did kind of grab the oversized pot when I did this. I probably should have grabbed the smaller one because there's not as much in here as I thought there was going to be. There's still quite a bit in there. It's just not as, would have liked it to be all the way up to here when I did sauce, but oh well. Live and learn. There's always next year for growing tomatoes, and as you can see, I still got green ones on the windowsill, and I got more green ones down out there that I haven't even, and they're all about this size. It's from a set of plants that I'm just leaving until frost. The dog's eating most of them, so, and I'm at the point now where I just don't care. It's been a great pepper and tomato year. In fact, peppers are still on. They're still going strong. So, yeah, we'll see. But, thanks everybody, and this tomato sauce, I'll try to do more of this a little bit later, but right now I think I'm kind of done with this one, so hopefully next weekend, or not next weekend, sometime this week, I'll get the rest of this video out of me finishing the sauce and the different spices and things I stick in it. And then some more of the peppers. I did stick a couple peppers that I had frozen from earlier in the season when I didn't have anything to do with them. They were just extras. But I'm pretty sure it's going to need more. But we'll go out probably tomorrow or the day after, and I'll pick some more stuff. So, until next time.